Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you my 15-inch plasma scope. Want to see if we can draw enough plasma through the glass to ignite a Typhoon Zippo match. Check this out. So all we're using in this demonstration is my 15-inch plasma scope, some aluminum foil, of course, Zippo matches, some tape. I'm going to use that same silver dollar I used last week, and probably a neon ampule to show you wireless transmission of electricity. So if you remember in our previous demonstration, we cut out a piece of aluminum foil that was in a square and we taped it to the surface of the plasma scope. But since this one's so much larger, I think I'm just gonna put it there loosely. I'm gonna use the same silver dollar that I used in our previous video and see if we can conduct a little bit of plasma through the glass. Check it out. Yeah. We're getting longer arcs than we did in our previous video. So the question is, will that plasma produce enough heat to actually ignite the head of a Typhoon Zippo match? Check it out. So in an effort to get the head of that match as hot as possible, I think I'm gonna tape it to the edge of the silver dollar and see if the heat from the plasma is enough to actually ignite the match. So I'm just putting some tape around it so it just kind of holds it right there to the edge. So it looks like that. Okay, this is 15-inch plasma ball versus a Typhoon Zippo match that's taped to a silver dollar. Here we go. I'm definitely getting some plasma there by the tip. Oh, something's happening. Oh! It ignited the Zippo match. Look at that. Unbelievable. I didn't think it would work, but the plasma ball did it and ignited the Typhoon match. Another fun demonstration is to understand that the plasma scope creates an electromagnetic field that can be observed with gas ampules. This gas ampule is filled with neon, but notice what happens when I get close to the plasma ball. The electrons in the neon, they get excited and they move to an outer energy level, and when they return back to their grounded state, each electron gives off a photon of light that has a wavelength of around 700 nanometers that through the light spectrum appears to us as the color red. Look at that, and I'm not even touching the plasma globe. But this is interesting. When I'm close to it, if I touch the plasma globe on this side, look what happens. It turns off and it's on. So I'm literally attracting the plasma to the other side of the globe, and when I let go, it wirelessly transmits to the ampule. Isn't that amazing? Now it's off, and now it's on. Just a fun demonstration to do with your plasma scope and a gas ampule. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.